Good morning, thanks for taking Queen of me.
What is your name?
My name is Lady Joanna Villamizar Angarita.
How old are you?
I am 35 years old.
Where do you live?
I live Toledo, norte de Santander.
Are you single or married?
I am married.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have a girl.
Children? Who do you live with?
I live with my father, husband, and my daughter.
What are you studying?
Business administration study.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are term working leader.
Where do you work?
I am not current work.
Can you tell me about yourself? What are your strengths?
I am organized, punch, and work leader.
Strengths? What are your weaknesses?
My weaknesses are few or manner as a sentimentation.
Weaknesses? What is your biggest achievement in life?
Is to be able to study at the university.
Life? Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Managing my own company.
Why do you want to leave your job? Why do you want to work for us?
I want to gain experience and the company that has an excellent track record.
What are your salary expectations?
I do not have hard salary expectation according to your table. It will be fine. Thank you.